We're now approaching 30 total hours of deliberations following closing arguments Monday. Good evening, I'm Jessica Dean.
And I'm Natasha Brown in for Yuki today. Eyewitness News reporter Joe Holden is live in Norristown. Joe, you have been at the courthouse all day long and for the last several days or so. What can you tell us tonight about where the jury is in deliberations?
Well, Natasha and Jess, the jury had a question the last time we saw you. They were in the middle of asking the court to read back more testimony. This time it would be the first time that Andrea Constand made a plea for help, a report to police. This particular detective in Canada is actually her brother-in-law. He is married to Andrea Constand's sister. He took the initial report and referred Andrea Constand to Durham, Ontario police. They then phoned the police here in Montgomery County. How this all plays into what is happening right now, well, the jury is going to have dinner. We've learned they are going to have stromboli, and then they will read this testimony and deliberations will continue. One-on-one with Bill Cosby's publicist, we talked about all those questions from the jury. Do you think these questions are pulling back the curtains on the jury struggling with inconsistencies?
Correct. I think when you heard them go back through Constant on the witness stand, and when Attorney Agrusa, cross-examined her, you saw those inconsistencies compared to what she told the first detective.
Andrea Constand says Cosby drugged and sexually assaulted her in 2004, but waffled on exact dates when compared to a police report and other documents. Prosecutors have described such slips as minor when compared to the bigger story. That includes the use of Cosby's own words, a damning deposition recounting what happened. The jury's entire deliberation process has spanned more than 24 hours. Legal experts say of the realm of possibilities, they could convict on any number of the 3 charges. Each count carries a maximum sentence of 10 years. We're told Cosby also could be convicted on any single count, even if the jury was to deadlock on the remaining charges. And so right now the judge is actually developing a transcript of this initial police report by Andrea Constand. The testimony was just taken down in shorthand. This is going all the way back to last Monday at the beginning of the trial. So that shorthand is being transcribed so that it can be read in court. That is why the jury is now taking a dinner break. My colleague Greg Argos is interviewing some of the key players in the defense side of this. Count on continuing coverage from CBS 3 outside the Montgomery County Courthouse. We are here all night. Reporting live in Norristown, Joe Holden, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.